Traders and volume are returning to the NYMEX as gold is trying to figure out where it wants to go after the Labor Day weekend. And here to talk about it is Mihir Dange. Mihir, what are you seeing out there?
You're seeing a lot of volatility into the markets. Just in the overnight session, we saw strong lows put into gold, and in gold, silver, and crude. Crude trade down to 104.20, gold trade down to 1373.60. All holding good areas of support, but done very quickly on pretty good volume.
And as you know, there's a lot in the market. We've got Syria, we have a question as to whether or not Congress is going to approve some sort of action. We have unemployment numbers coming out later this week, and then we've got the Fed action. What are people trading on?
I think that's exactly what people are trading on. People are trading on news. We have Europe that's back in office now. Holidays are over. You're going to see a lot more volume, and everybody's going to have their own interesting take on it. I think that's what you're going to see volatility kind of move around. You're going to see the markets move. You know, whether we take action earlier on Syria or later, that might affect the market. Whether, you know, how the employment number is on Friday and how they might revise the future down or how it plays out. I think these are going to be all interesting things. The language of the Fed, these are all going to be factors in the next 20 trading days that are going to move the market substantially.
We're seeing kind of a flat trade on Tuesday morning, but what do you think is the first trigger that will have a meaningful effect on the yellow metal?
I think Friday. We have Friday unemployment. I think that's going to be the first factor that kind of moves the markets, unless we hear something between now and September 11th or 12th about Syria. You know, I think every kind of news that we hear out of the Mideast is going to be news that drives the market in crude and in gold. I don't see how gold won't rally unless we completely fold and take no action in Syria.
All right, Mihir, well, thanks so much.
Thank you very much.
You heard it from Mihir. We're going to be keeping our eyes on Syria. Not sure if a vote will come this week or next week, and of course at the end of this week, unemployment. For The Street, I'm Joe Deaux.